I just had the best time today and thought I'd tell you all about it. Did you know that Seven Spot was live at the National Kit Car Show? This event in Malvern was an absolute thrill. Imagine rows of unique custom-built cars, all buzzing with excitement. Enthusiasts were sharing stories, tips, and their latest creations. It was a celebration of passion and craftsmanship. For full details and a guided tour, check out the link in the description below.
We are. Good day, Seven Spot people. There is a lot going on. This is day one. It's a Saturday. It's about 2 o'clock here. I would say that at the moment, just off the peak, there's a few people that are leaving, but it has been an incredible day. I used to go to kit car shows, I would say over 10 years ago, and I remember when they were down a Declan kit car show and Stoney back in the day, and it would take you a day to walk around. This is on par with that.